Welcome to our channel. In today's guide, we'll show you how to fix the Hudson Valley Credit Union account sync error fast and efficiently. Welcome to our channel. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process to resolve the Hudson Valley Credit Union account sync error quickly and easily. Sync errors can be frustrating, but with the right approach, you can restore your account synchronization without hassle. First step is to check your internet connection. Ensure it is stable and strong, because an unstable connection often causes sync issues. Next, verify your Hudson Valley Credit Union online banking credentials to make sure your username and password are correct. Incorrect login details can prevent syncing from occurring. Thirdly, clear the cache and cookies of your browser or app, which often resolves hidden issues affecting account connections for desktop users. Access your browser settings, clear cache and cookies for mobile app users, uninstall and reinstall the app to refresh them. Connection settings. Fourth, update the Hudson Valley Credit Union app. If available, new updates fix bugs that may cause sync errors. Check your device's app store for the latest version. Next, check for any service outages on Hudson Valley Credit Union's website or social media channels, since server issues can disrupt account syncing. If no outages exist, try unlinking and relinking your account. This process can reset connection permissions and fix syncing conflicts. Navigate to account settings. Find the linked account section and remove the problematic account, then add it back by entering your credentials again. Additionally, ensure your device's operating system is updated, because outdated software can affect app performance and syncing ability. If all else fails, contact Hudson Valley Credit Union customer support directly for specialized assistance. They can investigate your particular sync error and provide tailored solutions. Remember, syncing issues often stem from simple factors: internet issues, outdated apps, or incorrect credentials. By following these steps methodically, you can usually resolve the problem yourself. Quickly, stay patient and systematic in your approach, and you will overcome the sync error efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. If this guide helped you, we have many more helpful tutorials coming up, so stay tuned.